Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Google Chrome bookmarks bar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll notice you have two ways to hide the bookmarks bar. Let's start with the simplest method. Look at the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu where you can access most of the browser's settings and features. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Now hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. This will expand into another menu showing you various bookmark-related options. From this expanded menu, click on Hide Bookmarks Bar. This should immediately hide the bookmarks bar from your browser window, giving you more screen space for your web pages. However, if the bookmarks bar still doesn't disappear after following those steps, don't worry. There's a more advanced method using the Windows Registry Editor that will permanently disable it. To access this, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type regedit in the search box. From the search results, click on Registry Editor to open it. You may need to grant administrator permissions at this point. Once Registry Editor opens, you'll see a folder structure on the left side of the window. Navigate through these folders by clicking on H-key Local Machine. This will expand to show several subfolders. Next, click on the Software folder to expand it as well. Now scroll down and click on the Policies folder. This is where we'll create the necessary registry keys to disable the bookmarks bar permanently. Right-click on the Policies folder, then hover over New and click on Key from the submenu that appears. Name this new key Google, making sure to use a capital G. This creates a container for Google-related policies. Next, right-click on the Google folder you just created. Hover over New again and click on Key. Name this second key Chrome with a capital C. This will hold Chrome-specific settings. Now right-click on the Chrome folder and hover over New once more. This time, click on DWORD 32-bit value from the options. Name this new value bookmark bar enabled exactly as written, paying attention to the capitalization. This is the registry entry that controls whether the bookmarks bar appears. After creating the value, double-click on bookmark bar enabled to edit it. A small window will pop up. Make sure the value data is set to 0. This tells Chrome to keep the bookmarks bar disabled. Click OK to save this change. Now close the registry editor and reopen your Google Chrome browser. The bookmarks bar should now be completely removed and you've successfully disabled it through the registry settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.